enlightenment, wholeness. Oh, yeah, that's easy. You're born with it. It ain't all that serious, okay? You don't need a guru. You don't need a spiritual teacher. You don't need a life coach and all that. It's inside of you. Everything you need is inside of you. So if you want to discover that, you're in the right place. Well, no, not that place. That's the right place too, but you're already in the right place. There it is.
Alright, dude, let's click subscribe and we'll make that bell dark and let's go. Bye.
Okay, hello everyone. All right, are you ready? This is not a cooking show. However, it is a very clear explanation of how the law of attraction works. Are you ready? Let's just go do it. Okay, this is how it works. Well, you know, there's probably 1,000 or so books on this stuff, but we don't need to read all that. We don't need to be all bothered with that. We can just take very few steps and we got this thing together. Law of attraction, how to create what you want in your life. Step one, you think of what you really want, all right? We consider it's inside here, right? That's what we really want. Now, what do we do with that? We pour it right in here. Now, what is this? We're pouring that, what we want, into our feelings, right? And the feelings are good feelings. They're positive feelings. And the way we get there is, guess what? We daydream. We dream it up. We can meditate it up, dream it up, think it up. All we do is we start thinking and imagining that we already have what we want. And that leads us to the good feelings. So initially, when we start off and we look in here, we can't see anything happening, but we still imagine that it's occurring. And we imagine that all these wonderful things that we want are already here with us and we feel real good. And we put those good feelings, right? We utilize those to turn on the energy. And then what happens? Then things start to occur. What occurs, you can see it. See those bubbles in there? See it now? Yeah. All those, you know what they are? Those are opportunities. Those are opportunities that present themselves to us. And what do we do then? We take action, because law of attraction takes action. And we act on those opportunities and follow them to create what we want in life. There you go. There's hundreds of videos if you want to go watch them anywhere, YouTube, what have you. That's what you need to know. Create what you want. Empower yourself. Much love.